Today we're learning to count objects. To start with, I have some cubes that I want to count. I want to know how many cubes there are here, and the only way for me to find that out is to count them. Now, I could try to count them like this, but I might get muddled up, or I might count the same cube twice by accident. So the best way to count these cubes is to move each one as I count, so that I don't get confused and I count exactly the right amount. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cubes here. Just to make sure, I'm going to check my answer by counting them again though. They're easier to count now as they're in this straight line, but I'm still going to move each one as I count to make sure I get the right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super! I was right the first time. I have 5 cubes. Let's try counting with something else now. Here are some beautiful shells I found at the beach. I want to know how many shells I have, so I'm going to count them. Like before, I'm going to move them as I count so that I know exactly which shells I've counted. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 shells. But just like last time, I'm going to check my answer by counting them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant! I have 6 shells. The last thing I want to count today are my small world people. I want to know how many people I have here. So, just like before, I'm going to count them. Now there's no way I can count them like this. I can't even see them all. So, I'm going to move them as I count them in the same way that I did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 small people. All I need to do now is check my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great! I have 8 small people. So, whether you're counting cubes, or small people, or shells, or even pebbles, the 2 things you need to remember are always move your objects as you count them and check your answer by counting again.